How would you like to be making a professional income after just 4 short days of training? You will become a Darkfield microscope tech, using professional equipment filling a little-known need. We test everything from blood to well water. You will be trained in just 4 short days to do a professional job working with doctors, gold miners to real estate companies. This is the most exciting business that we have ever offered. Think about this. You can make as much money as you like and experience being your own boss. You can travel, go to any city and make more money, meet nice people, stay in the best hotels, or in your motorhome. Enjoy, it's just a nice relaxed lifestyle and you will love it. Start now. Call 602-315-9521. Get more information on this exciting new business. Call 602-315-9521.